Hey Hoff, what's going on, buddy? Hey, nice work so far with the Excel. Seems like you're getting the hang of it and you're putting some effort forth. So I like that, man. Keep it up. All right, so look, May 10. See how that if I just type May 2010, it automatically formats it to however it wants. So what I want you to do is learn how to change it. So you just click on it, right click on it, format cells, and if you go to date, here's all the different ways that it can automatically be formatted. So if we wanted to look like that, all we'd have to do is click on that. And if we wanted to look like that, but that May 2010, how I want, it's not an option here. That's why I have to go to custom. And if you just go down here, look, see it says month, year. So look, this is how it's going to look. Here's a sample. It'll look like May 10, but you can actually change this. If you put YY, it's kind of like programming in a sense, I guess. Then look, May 2010. So if I take it away, look, May 10, boom, hit OK, May 2010. See that dash is there? Let's see if we can get rid of that dash. Ah, surely. So look, see it has a dash right here, space, May 10, boom, May 2010. Got it? Cool, buddy. Hope you're staying safe, being well. Take care, dude.